So you wanted to learn how to make a shrimp scampi that was way better than a restaurant? Then you click in the right video. So let me show you exactly how to do it. All right, let's get started. The very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cooking a pasta. So you have to fill up a pot full of water. Now, one of the tips that you may or may not know is that we have to season our water with a little bit of salt. Adding salt to your water allows the pasta to be fully seasoned from the inside and not be bland. Now, some people are gonna tell you that you need to add a little bit of oil to your water because it will help the pasta not get stuck. And I have to tell you that it's 1,963% false. You do not have to do that. As soon as your water starts to boil, we're gonna go ahead and move on to cooking the pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and use spaghetti, but you could use any type that you want. Now, I'm gonna be cooking my pasta for 10 minutes because that's what my packet says, but whatever pasta you're using, make sure you read the directions that it says. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong cooking the noodles overnight and let them in the fridge, so that way your cooking is a lot easier the next day. While you're cooking your noodles, we're not gonna waste time and we're gonna move on to the next step. We're gonna be slicing all of your butter. You want the butters to be into like decent sized cubes. Next, we're gonna mince your garlic, and the secret way of doing it a lot easier and faster is by getting one garlic clove, putting it down flat, get your knife, put it on top of it, and then we're gonna smash it really well. That makes the garlic really flat, allowing you to mince it really fast and really easy. Now, I do have to warn you that if you're thinking of using that garlic in the jar from the store, please try to avoid it. For some reason, that jar of garlic has a weird bitter taste to it. And then when you're doing fresh garlic, it enhances the flavors really well. Especially when this pasta is so simple, make sure you stick to simple ingredients. Now we're gonna go ahead and chop your parsley. The easiest way is to roll it together, pinch it a little bit backwards, and then start slicing it as close as possible. Now cut your lemon in half. Now we can move on to the fun part. You wanna start by adding a little bit of oil to your hot pan, and we're gonna wait for the oil to fully heat up. Now we're gently gonna place down your shrimp, and we're gonna season it with some salt and black pepper. We're only gonna cook our shrimp for about 2 minutes because we don't want it to be overly cooked. No one wants a rubbery shrimp. Now we're gonna add a little bit of garlic, a pinch of chili flakes, and we're gonna cook this for about 30 seconds. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our white wine. Take a sip. I know you've been busy today. Once your wine has reduced to about 10%, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze in half of a lemon juice. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw in your butter and then mix it together to start forming the sauce. Now, once your sauce becomes really creamy and thick, just like this, we're gonna go ahead and add your spaghetti. Now add your parsley. Then we're gonna give it a really good mix, allowing the spaghetti to absorb all of the sauces. And you can't say that this doesn't look delicious. Now for the best part, the taste test. And like always, blow your food. The noodles were nicely seasoned from the inside, and then the buttery sauce that we made in the pan was able to coat them really well, giving a really nice texture. The shrimp is nice and tender. It was able to absorb the chili flakes, the garlic, and the white wine so perfectly. So I can gladly say this is way better than any restaurants, and it costs you a fraction of the price. Now, with that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to watch a really delicious cooking video next, place right here. Until next time, I'll see you soon.